Hey guys, it's Quincy here. I'm back and it has been 8 weeks. That makes 2 months that I've been working out. And this week, I feel like I've made a lot of progress. One of them, most notably, is that I ran 5 miles in 45 minutes, a feat that I never thought or cared enough to attempt. I never had or thought I had the ability to push myself to feel like I was running out of air for 45 minutes. And actually, it wasn't that bad. There was times where I really had to catch my breath, and I did slow down a little bit, but I am so glad that I have practiced what I did in the month leading up to that, and I practiced properly. As you saw from my running cues video, I did a lot more proper and efficient energy-saving movements, and I was not hyperventilating by the end. So, I'm very pleased with that. Also, I was doing cardio to that extent, probably 4 out of 7 days. So, it's not good enough. It should be an hour of elevated cardio 7 days a week, and I didn't get that far. Got 4 out of 7 days where it was like elevated enough. And that's gonna set me back. It's my own fault. But the 4 days that I did get, it is amazing that now I have the willpower to be like, okay, yeah, I've had a whole day and it's just been so hard, but okay, now I gotta bring myself outside and sweat, and I have to do this for at least like 30 minutes and then, or 15, and then break it up, and then later I have to do 15 and then 15 and 15. However I did it, it was always super hard to start. But that brings me to another point. Starting things. I have always had an issue with like being lazy, not wanting to get up off my ass and start the thing I had to do. And I found a great app to remedy this. It's called Focus Plan. I've used that for my workouts too, and that has been a real lifesaver, because in the beginning, when we made my home gym, yep, I'm gonna have an excuse, and that excuse would end up getting me to start at like 10 p.m. So I would just be, oh yeah, I'll do it, and then something else would happen, and then 7 hours later, oh shit, I have to do this before I go to sleep. So that is something I am challenging myself on constantly, and it's through that challenge every day that I can build that habit. It's just an uphill battle. So also with this app, this is how I got more of my goals done this week. And I would say I got like 65 to 70% of all of my goals done this week, which for me is great. And yes, I overshoot a lot of times, and I don't know what's realistic for what goals to make that day. So I'm glad that I get what I get done. Like 65 to 70% is pretty good for me. And I have still had some issues with sleeping as much as I would like to. I think 6 hours is ideal for me, and this week I've probably averaged around 4.5, probably a couple of times 3 hours only. And it's probably gonna harm my weight loss trajectory a little bit, but I have to look forward. And tonight, for example, I'm gonna sleep before 11 p.m. I'm gonna make this a priority. That also brings me to another thing, making things priorities, saying no, having the discipline to be like, okay, yeah, I don't care if you expected me to do this thing, if you wanted me to do this thing, I can't make you happy and make myself happy and my goals actualized. So I have been a lot better at flexing that saying no muscle, and saying that thing that you want me to do, it's unrealistic for me to, like, I used to not rain check when I should have. And this week, I'm proud to say, I've been able to do that more and more. And yeah, I might look like an asshole. Sometimes I really don't, like, respond to the message, and it's been a week, and I feel like an asshole too, but I feel a lot better than I did when I was constantly just responding to those people and not doing my workouts. Or, I mean, I haven't done that recently where I was just obsessed with, you know, texting back or whatever it was. So I feel a lot more productive and in touch with myself, and like I can be a better friend when I do hang out with people, because I love myself and I can give a more unconditional love and support to people around me. So I'm learning a lot still, and I really appreciate all of what Coach has taught me this week. I appreciate him pushing me on that run. I appreciate the portable gym equipment he has given me, and I plan to use it tomorrow. I did some cardio today, not enough, but these next 2 weeks I'm going to be on the road, and it's no excuses. Still going to complete my goals, work out, do cardio, do these videos. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. I really appreciate it. Bye.